Hello, respectable audience. Avoid this mistake to cancel 2 and 2. This is the big mistake while solving this question. Most of the people, about 90%, cancel 2 and remaining portion will be 20 divided by 5, which will leads us to 4 as answer. But 4 is not correct answer. Remember that while solving such type of question which involves division and multiplication, we have to move from left to right. It means division is at left, so we have to handle this division first. Let us come to solve, and 20 written as it is, divide is converted into multiplication. So after changing it, we have to flip the term next to it. We will write 5 over 2 as 2 over 5. And 2 will be written as it is. Now 5 and 20 are being cancelled. So here we will get 4. Now we have only single term 4 times 2 times 2. Which will be equal to 8 times 2. And finally, we will get 16 as answer. In the first case, we got 4, and in the second case, we got 16. So which one is correct? 16 is correct because we have followed Pemdas rule. Thank you for your support.